flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for north central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 a.m. At 4:40 a.m., Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms producing torrential rain across the warned area. The Milwaukee Executive Airport has picked over 2 inches of rain in just over an hour. Additional heavy rainfall is expected early this morning and will result in flash flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Arlington Heights, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Glenview, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Northbrook, Wilmette, Morton Grove, Winnetka, Glencoe, Rosemont, Niles, Prospect Heights, Northfield, and Gulf. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Here is the forecast for the